Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bomb, and today I have another Simple Stories collection that I thought I would share with you. This I ordered through my sweet friend Lisa. Lisa is an affiliate. I will link her down below. And every now and then she'll get a few collections of stuff that she's interested in and sell it off to her friends. So I got a couple of the Snap albums. They're just a 4x6 albums just to have in my stash. Those are good sized little albums. And I wanted the Totally 80s from Simple Stories, and I asked her if she was going to order it, and she said absolutely. So I was super excited. And then she even threw in some other little goodies. Let's see what these are. So we have these little bits are little rainbows, and they're double-sided with polka dots on the back side. I think these are from the teaching section at Hobby Lobby, but I did not pick these up, so I'm happy to have those. Oh, and look at, she added some of these. So these are from Kiss and Punch, and I had gotten a couple in a Traveler's Notebook, or Sisterhood of the Traveler's Notebook, and some in Give Some, Take Some. I think it was Tori, but Lisa has shared some with me. So this one has a little iPod, and on the back it's just a little apple. And then this is a little stamp. And then I have some more little library cards because I really liked these. I got the library card and the guest check. I'm pretty sure it was Tori's album. And these are the little guest checks. Aren't they cute? And I like the back of it. And then this one is just double-sided. So thank you, Lisa, for the little goodies. We like to share our little goodies back and forth with each other. I'll send her some stuff. She'll send me some stuff. It all works out good. But let's get into this collection. I'm super excited about this. I love anything nostalgia. I'm an 80s baby. Oops. Bumped you. Sorry. 80s baby, raised in the 90s. Well, I was born early 80s. But anyway, love this type of stuff. So she got the whole collection. This is a small collection. It's not an extended collection. You know, they do some they'll have like the chipboard pieces, the bits of ephemera, the frames, like multiple different things. This one, she just got everything they had, which was foam stickers, cardstock stickers, bits and pieces, and then just the paper kit. So we'll go over the paper kit first. So you do get a set of stickers, I believe. It's not the same as the cardstock stickers, so that's kind of nice. So these are all the stickers. How fun are those? I just love them. I used to say whatever all the time, and my mom, I'm pretty sure she wanted to slap me so hard on a daily basis and rolled my eyes. It was so bad. But aren't these great? I don't even know what that would be comparable to kids today. Like maybe that's Cap or Loki. I hear Loki so often, it's ridiculous. Anyway, here are the cut aparts. I love the little tape. I like keep it classic. Love the 80s. So fun. And then on the back we have this fun print. Oops. I keep hitting my lights. I'm sorry. And then we have some smaller cut aparts. I like these little, like, I bet these are probably 2x2 squares. Let's see. I'm pretty sure they are. Like little twinsies. Yeah, 2x2 squares. And then you get some tags. I love this Game Boy because you could fussy cut, or not fussy cut, you could just take your X-Acto knife, cut out this screen and put whatever you wanted in it. Same with this Polaroid picture. You could even do it as a flap and have it flip up. And this is the back of that. Oh, I love these prints. It reminds me so much of like Saved by the Bell. That was my favorite show. This neon print with this fun stripe. Look at these cassettes. Oh, I love the cassettes. Oh, I love that page too. Probably because it's the color. Like it's pretty simple. It's nothing basic. It's kind of basic, but the color is great. Ooh, look at this fun checkered pattern. I love that. Love the stripes. I know I'm gonna love everything about this. We have this one. It's so much fun. And then we have black and white stripes on the back. And then this is just the collection kit main piece. So this is so fun. Oh, I'm so excited to play with this. I'm definitely gonna have to do something with it. So these are, I'll take this out. This is the cardstock stickers. So we have, oh, gag me with a spoon. That is so funny. Cowabunga. I haven't heard that in forever. Such fun. This will make one of like those little mini albums. I wish, see, they didn't have like a 6x8 of this, I don't think. Maybe they'll keep it around and maybe expand on it, but I'm pretty sure there wasn't a 6x8. Otherwise, Lisa would have ordered it. But love the little camera. These are so fun. I love girls just want to have fun. And then we have, this is the foam stickers. Look at this phone. So funny. Love it. And then this is the back. Love the little stars. I don't know why. So stinking cute. And then I'm gonna go through the bits and pieces so you can see all of these, because I mean, you can see the back, but you know, sometimes you just like to see the size. So I know that I get a lot of compliments of people being happy that I went through all the little ephemera pieces. So I get this little boombox. I have this 80s. This is really cute. We have some shapes. That's a little cloud. We have, oh snap, that's cute. These little phones. I used to have so many of these. Oh, what are these called? Oh, I can't remember. They had like a little name, but they're just like the thin, like rectangular little cameras. Totally rad. The 80s. It's like a ring pop. Little heart. We have, oh hello. Big hair, don't care. Stars. Roller skates. Love it. The little phone. Another neon star. We have like whatever. I actually like when you get these little arrows, because it's fun to just add like a little saying with a picture or something like that. I like that. This little says who. We have to the max. We have, this is my jam. That's funny. Aquanet. Or is Aquanet, but they had to put Aquaset, I'm guessing, for trademark purposes. Just take a chill pill. Said that a lot. A heart, little Game Boy. And then we have all of these little bits. We have chill. Oh duh. We have cool beans. Life is epic. This is like a little pocket. We have this little Polaroid camera. We have more little bits. We have to the max. We have what a spaz. So stoked. Old school. Another little camera. Another little lightning bolt. We have a cassette Walkman. Definitely had one of those. A little Chuck. I still wear Chucks. Chucks and Vans. Another little. We have today. More little shape. Another little pocket. I like these little pockets. I think you know, I've been making those like little index cards, like size albums, and these would be perfect for making a little album like that. We have fresh. Another little cassette. A lot of little zigzags and little shapes. This one says for sure. Life is a mixtape. Little film reel or roll. We have a duh. More little arrows. This one says shake it like a Polaroid picture. That's funny. Funny. Have max memories. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. And then we have this one that says awesome memories. We have like totally. Have the old school TV. Awesome. Bodacious. We have a fanny pack. We have hello, my name is. A little Polaroid. And then we had, what do we have today? We have rad, 80s night, like totally my 80s era, totally 80s, old school. As if, oh, I said that a lot too. More of these cool shapes, more neon things, little pair of sunglasses, little hearts, more little shapes. So this is really fun. Really good bits and pieces, because I feel like there's enough. You can do mini albums as well as some like junk journal spreads, some scrapbook spreads. There's just a lot here to work with. So this is a lot of fun. Make a very cool little album. I have a lot of 80s pictures, so I feel like I can definitely utilize this. I really like this. I think it was Beck that just did, maybe it was a 90s. I don't know. I think she did some kind of like retro swap. Maybe it was 90s. I don't really remember. But this is so fun. I really like this. I think that this is a very cool buy. I'm glad to have this in my stash. I really wish there was a 6x8 paper pad that went with it, because I think that would just kind of seal the deal for me, because I like working with both. Like, these prints are not bad. You can definitely like cut these up and use them into mini albums. But sometimes I just like things on a smaller scale, you know. So this is fun. If you have any questions, let me know. I know that you can get this on scrapbook.com. You can probably get it from A Cherry on Top, Scrap Diva. There's lots of places you can get this. And, you know, if you're friends with Lisa and you're watching her videos, because she'll order stuff, she'll go through it and she'll tell you if she's got any extra. And she always sells it like in the bundle, like the whole collection in the bundle. But I will link Lisa down below so you can check her out. She's always kind of showing some Simple Stories stuff, and yeah, it's very cute. There's a couple collections right now that are just so stinking cute. I'm really liking the 4th of July collection. What else is there? There's a couple that are just, Simple Stories is killing it right now. I just wish that this was like a full collection instead of a mini collection, but that's fine. It is what it is. But if you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.